And the 1.0, I don't know what I'm saying.
Skip2mylou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Many of you have been patiently waiting for a follow-up from a video I did about 2 months ago on this thing, the Dermastamp. As some of you might recall from that video, it hurt.
Oh, friggin' A.
But nonetheless, I promised to use the Dermastamp. I think I said 2 times per week, but I did not do that. I did 1 time because after looking it up quite a bit on the internet, apparently once per week is plenty. After about the 3rd time of using the Dermastamp, I realized that I was getting sort of used to the pain or feeling it less. And I would do it mostly at night before bed and then apply some hyaluronic acid or some sort of serum that I wanted to seep a little bit deeper into my skin. Well, do I see results? My main reason for wanting to use the Dermastamp was for these lines right here around the mouth, which of course get worse with age. I stamped from right next to my nose all the way down to my jawline. Just wanted to make sure I was getting every little bit. The stamp I was using was 0.5, and 0.5 is pretty shallow of a needle. This is recommended for the absorption or better absorption of topical products. And the 1, while obviously causing more damage when stamping, that would be more for the collagen stimulation and repairing of what you just poked the hell out of. Do I see a difference in my lines? Not a whole lot. Not a whole lot at all. Like I said, it was more of a shallow treatment, but in the end, there is some improvement on the skin around the folds. I think my topical products did manage to sink in more when I used the Dermastamp, and in that sense, I felt and saw the tiniest bit of difference. But truly, I think I'm gonna need a bigger needle.
You're gonna need a bigger
needle. So what I'm gonna do is start using the 1 Dermastamp and hurt myself about once a week. And I'm sure there will be blood. I think that that would be the only way to really effectively diminish or reduce those lines around the mouth, because they're deep from smiling because I'm so happy. But that's okay. I don't feel like it was a waste of time. I do feel like it did something to at least the top layer of my skin. It's smooth, but the lines are still just as prominent. So sorry I don't have more exciting news on the Dermastamp 0.5 for you guys, but starting today I'm going to use the 1 Dermastamp, and I will get back to you guys hopefully with better results. So that's it for this video on the Dermastamp. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I learned that you have to endure a lot more pain to get better results when it comes to the Dermastamp. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye guys!